Check. So today is a football day. It's the Lynk Cup, Jamaican version of the FA Cup. So teams from all the different tiers of football in Jamaica can play against each other. Just like in England, you know, FA Cup, teams from like Championship, League 2, all of those can play against Premier League teams in a knockout competition. Yeah, that's happening in Jamaica. Lynk put it on, and Lynk me before and do some interviews and things. So I make a step, and you know, you just bringing them along. This is Jamaican football. Jamaica Premier League teams, National Stadium, Stadium East. So let's see how it goes.
Second leg semi-final. Up next, Harrowview, Portland United. And
First semi-final. It's a semi-final, second leg. Cavalier leading 2-0 on the day. Well, 3-0 on the day, so 4-0 on aggregate. I reach in the second half. So I never really get to catch the full of it. I never get to like vlog properly there, so as I said, I'm there for do interviews like after the match, so I never late like for do my work. I don't get it twisted. I just did have some hiccups, some reach. But yeah, Cavalier basically gone through to finals. It was a good game, the part of me catch. Second match now. Alright, see there. Game done now.
Big job for me, I give you, man. Don't worry, man. Sorry, man. Big job for me, I give you, man. Don't worry, Nate.
There's a final about $5 grand.
Yeah, man. A big job for me, I give them, man. Let them know that.
So, how was the opposition today? What a trip? How was the trip?
It was good, man. It was good. It was a good trip. We come out here and we play good, so that's great.
It was a good all-round effort from the team, and I'm very happy with the guys and how they showed character today, and including myself for coming back and doing a wonderful job for my team to go through to the finals.
4-0 on aggregate. Did you expect it to be this easy?
No, we had a lot of space attacking, so we just exploit the spaces and the goals came.
What aspect of the game you think Done Beholden kind of disappointed you the most in, and that was the reason why you could capitalize so much?
They weren't attacking as much, so like we had a lot of space in behind them, so that's where the goals came from. The pass is in behind them.
And coming into these games knowing that each time you score a goal you can get $5,000, How does that motivate you?
I'm not really motivated by the money, and I'm motivated by winning. So as long as I'm winning, I'm fine.
So that sounds like you want the trophy. You expect that you guys will be taking it home?
Yes, definitely.
Alright, thank you and all the best. Alright, we're reviewing now.
Are you ready? It's all about the feature match here at the National Stadium East. The Lynk Cup semi-final.
It's a donut specialist.
Round 2.
Meat, honey bun and prestige, you see me? The sugar coating on it. Really good, really good. The melt in your mouth statement. It really.
Take it out, Mr. Selector,
It
for some
like
minutes.
when
I
you
want to
again,
take this time out. Hold it with your cheers.
cotton candy.
To pay
Like it melts
respect
in your
to
mouth,
two
literally.
of the most
Crystal Cream.
important footballers who are not here with us anymore.
June 2 when it open.
From Harborview,
early night, man.
Luton Shelton,
Deal with it.
and from Port.
What do you rate it?
Let me tell you, when them have crispy cream, have the softness over prestige. You feel like you're like
Here are your players.
It's sweet. It's very sweet. But
For the home team, take
Why
it
review
out.
the Krispy Kreme?
For the Port United team,
That's sweet.
wearing number 40.
Too sweet. Nice. No, not too sweet.
Benjamin Williams, goalkeeper. Number 17, Rudolph Austin.
Jeff,
Number 12,
why review the Krispy Kreme? Review the Krispy Kreme. What? Review the Krispy Kreme. Review what's the style you know?
Number
Nice
20,
and soft
Johnny
and melts
Rose.
very easy.
Number 10,
10 out of
Jamal
10.
Walker.
When
Number
they like 8, come here like sweet.
He's the
However,
captain
it's
of the
sweet.
Port
But I nobody know.
tonight's
But
match.
if you me the fit man,
Number
you can't
3,
take too much time. So me,
Okino
When last I got Jim?
Number 11,
that's
Alex
the question. I play
Marshall.
ball last Saturday. What me I say?
Number 14,
For me,
Chevron Walsh.
I have to eat one a day.
The substitute.
If a prestige, how much I eat a day?
Port
I'm
United
gonna eat
team.
prestige.
Number
If it
1,
so
Devon King.
good. If it so one a day or one per water.
Alvina Smiles.
But it, I love it.
Number
One per
15,
water. One per
Charlie
water. It's
Maxwell.
fair.
Number 2.
Get that Krispy Kreme doing it already. What? That Krispy Kreme doing it already.
No, I'm not eating it. No, I get it, but I'm not trying. I get all. I'm not just yet yet.
Oh, we don't want a review. We don't want a review.
You eat it?
The consumer or anyone, it's soft and it's sweet though.
Sweet?
It's sweet, but it's soft.
Yeah, that's
It's like, you know, when we keep on here, people must say, it melts in your mouth or anything like it's soft. And you can taste it.
Never go try it.
You have
Never
the
go try it.
freshness about it.
fresh. I'm going to try it.
Yeah.
Go try it.
We don't want a review because a while ago we get.
When I have to find some, I saw. No, 1 minute, our team picture I take. I never did
Them are come eat.
team picture I take.
Yeah. Later, let him alone, man. Alright, so right now we are choose one end. Figure stay. One end we kind of feel like there's a majority of action I got there. We are choose the end way. How about you attack? Yeah, why you choose this end?
I think usually Harborview starts faster, so I'm anticipating them to get the go-ahead goal, but this game going to go either way. But like I say, no, Harborview starts faster. I'm anticipating them to take the lead.
Alright. Junior Yardi, who you think I go dominate the game more? Harborview or Portmore?
Nobody's dominating. It's a back and forth game.
Back and forth?
Yeah.
I realize a whole heap of running up and down them lines, boy, though. Whole heap of running up and down. Them probably fitter than enough I would feel play them, to be honest.
Good.
I'm saying, can't get used to them. Feel alert. Shootout competition. You must score the ball in a one Krispy Kreme donut thing and you can win donut. So when I go over there, make you see what I go on now. If you never win donut, you should probably come and link up and you can win donut. You see me? So you just kick a penalty into a donut. See it? So you have to kick the ball through that.
Come here, someone. Where you want to
Kick the ball through that. And you win donut.
Come, your time. First one, take 4 minutes. Here. Time of number 10. A general. Come.
Wait a second now, Nico. Portmore bad lucky. Them man not going with no 5 grand today, no.
See it. And I hope that didn't get it still.
Yeah. Every goal scored in link up, the goal scorer get $5,000. Yeah. So right now if me out there, me not defend none tag. Them can't get me for defend. I just have to stay up on the last defender, I just goal more want. Cause all if we lose and we lose 3-2, me get $10,000. Can't complain.
hey, we're going to turn up back the tempo for at least 7 minutes of the 15 here, yeah? And see what them have the both of them legs. Then, so when we are run them, we are running at the space, make them move. Then, we don't want no post up. We don't want no post up. Run and make you run, yeah. You get that, Alex? Yeah. Run and make them have to run. You see if them have not their steps of their legs.
Too much fire come down the side of Bridging. Bring it down. Lift up, man. Yeah, I'm gonna solve up your bike. P4 starts down and you're both there with the man there. You understand? So it's a possibility. Good.
Hey, dig for you, digging on the heart, man. Dig, man. Dig from there. Dig on the
You're no afraid to take authority, Bridging. Come, man.
Yeah, so right now we're in extra time. First half extra time. Harbour View 3, Portmore 3. Portmore scoring at the last part. See the half time of extra time now, you see me? It's a long night. The time on the clock is 10:17. So they are going to do it, you know? They are going to do it.
Forward. Oh, God, man! I know I do right there, so.
Fast and strong, you know, fast and strong.
End of extra time. We're going to penalties. Harbour View 3. Portmore 3. Let's see who's gonna take it.
One number.
No, right.
Yeah, man. Royal, go forward. Go forward, Sally. David.
Oh, I never think so.
Huh?
But I never think he might score. Why you never think he might score?
Too much pressure upon him. Too much pressure.
He missed, man.
United forever! Yo, yes!
Unfortunate, you know?
Yeah.
Someone come out today and play some good football, so I wish them all the best in the final.
Isn't this pretty?
I know that you said that you would.
Final. I'm very confident once it goes into penalty shootouts, you know, that's my thing, you know, so in the penalty shooters I'm very confident. If I'm going to stop 2 or 3, yeah, it's just going to come.
In extra time, it was starting to look like Harborview was actually trying to lock shop and push it to go to penalties. Did you notice that?
Yes, that was I noticed. And I'm confident about that. You know, Harborview is locking shop and want to go to penalty. That's a danger for them.
When you were out there and you see Harborview trying to push this to penalties, what were you thinking?
In my mind, I'm saying yes. I'm just waiting on the referee to blow it, you know, and he did, and I just produced for my team.
Alright, now going into the finals against Cavalier, how does that team look to you?
It's a very good team, you know, but on the day we're just going to come out and execute.
One team, you know? Yeah. Next week, Friday. The man see if you the man say you're there forward. Yeah. So people, at the end of the penalties and extra time, it is Portmore who advanced to the finals of the Lynk Cup. 3-2 on penalties. It was a good game. Make sure it's gonna come out next week Friday at the finals. You see me? So make sure you don't forward out. Them much are full of vibes, you know. You have to have a winner. If you draw it, I'll go a penalties and extra time. So full entertainment. Hope you enjoy it, and we are bringing you more vlogs, the more events me go. That vlog I kind of never really planned, so you never go as how, you know, my vlog them normally go. I still try to show you as much as possible because make that work, you see me? But hope you enjoy it and big up.